We supply mainly to the construction industry, but we also supply to agriculture and also the steel industry. We have a mixture of machinery on site, Caterpillar being our main prime movers from the quarry face to our primary crusher. We have service agreements with Finning UK, any other breakdowns that we have as well. We deal with the operations down in Cannock. We've got a very good working relationship with Finning, and we have very good contacts regarding servicing and breakdown. They understand the industry. They've been in it for a very long time. It was the process of comparing brand new to the rebuild option. We went through every stage that it would go through with Finnings. It was found that the rebuild option was going to be the best option long term.
We look at repair and rebuild options once we understand the total life cycle of the truck. If it is viable, then we start to look at this right at the beginning of the life cycle. The main aim is to get to the end of the cycle, rebuild the truck for half of the cost of a new truck. We did introduce talking about rebuilds, especially on these trucks, because we've known these trucks, looked after these trucks since they came to site. So because we've done 2 trucks here, essentially they've got 2 trucks for the cost of 1 new one. Key customer benefits, as you can see, it's as new when it comes back to site. They get all the updates built into the rebuild as if it was the last of the F trucks that were built. Everything's disassembled, remanufactured, and then goes back into the truck as new again. Obviously the frame, the skip are all reused again, so rather than it being the end of its lifetime and it's cut up and it goes back to be recycled, you actually reuse the main components and it comes back out again.
A lot of the customers, they've got to know the machines and they like the machines. I get great satisfaction from doing the rebuild. If you could see the before photos and to what it looks like after, it gives you really good job satisfaction. And even to the point of you can go to really in-depth detail, like setting all the lights up, and it makes you feel good that you've completed it, especially if it's on time and the customer's happy with it.
Really happy with the service we received. The job has gone really well. Reliability is paramount. Any downtime we suffer does have really large knock-on effects. Overall, very impressed with the job, yes.